Hey there, now we're going to do lesson 134. So the first one asks us for the measurement of the angle. And here is that angle. We're measuring how much that is. And the problem with something like this is that these protractors have two scales on them. So I can tell from looking at this that it is either between 70 and 60, so 65 degrees, or it's between 110 and 120, so 115 degrees. So which is it? Well, we can tell this is an obtuse angle, and obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees. And that's how we know which of these to take, because 115 is more than 90 degrees. So the measurement for that angle is 115. Number 2, Chris made chili for the football party. He started making the chili at 3 p.m. It took 55 minutes to prepare and assemble the ingredients. Then the chili had to simmer for 45 minutes. What time was it ready? So I like to make a number line for ones like this. So we're at 3 o'clock, and a 55-minute jump from 3 for the prepping time makes it be 3:55. And then I've got to go 40 more minutes out, right? No, 45 minutes out. And what time is it here? So I know that 5 more minutes will get me to 4 o'clock. And that leaves 40 more minutes, right? Because 40 and 5 is 45. So it must be ready at 4:45 p.m. 4:45 p.m. Solve for u. U equals 567 divided by 40, so we just have to do the division here. We are asking how many 40s are in 567. Well, I'm sure that there are at least 10. That leaves 167 left. The 16 and the 4 are a hint here. 4 times 4 is 16, so 4 times 40 is 160. 7 left over. We're not going to get any more 40s into that 7, so we could say 14, remainder 7. Or we could also say 14, 7 left over that we're still trying to divide by 40, so 14 and 7/40ths. Either one of those are acceptable answers for U. The hardest thing about this is making sure that we line up the ones place has to be under the ones place. So I've got to regroup to take the 8 from that first 3. 13 minus 8 is 5. Got a 2 left up here. 2 minus 0 is 2. Got to regroup again. 13 minus 4 is 9. I've got to regroup again. 10 minus 3 is 7. And now, done with the regrouping. So it looks like I've got 1,977,925. Hopefully I didn't make any silly mistakes in there. I'm sure someone will let me know if I did, and then I'll have to go back and fix the video. Okay, the last one, order the fractions from least to greatest. So I've got a whole bunch of different fractions with different denominators, so this initially seems a little bit tricky. But I can look at these and get an idea to start. So 7/8, that is almost 1. 1 more eighth would get us to 8/8, which is 1. 3/6 is just exactly a half. 4/9, 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 is almost half of 9. So I know this one is less than a half. It's less than a half. And the third is also less than a half, but which of them is actually greater, 4/9 or 1/3? So I'll take 1/3, give it the same denominator as the 4/9. That equals 3/9. So 3/9 is 1/9 less than 4/9. So 3/9 is actually less than 4/9. So my least is 1/3. That was the 3/9, which is just a little bit less than 4/9, which is not quite a half, and the half was 3/6, and my greatest one is 7/8, which is almost 1. There you go. In order from least to greatest.